The high-profile murder trial of Todd Kendhammer moved into its 8th day, with the defense calling family and friends to the stand.
News 8's Mal Meyer was there for today's testimony and joins us now live from the courthouse with the latest.
Mike and Martha, friends and family members were called to take to the stand by the defense to answer two main questions. What was Barbara and Todd's relationship like, and how did Todd appear while at the hospital? We then heard from Tina McCoy, who had been friends with Barbara for over 30 years, and during her testimony, McCoy said she never saw any signs of abuse during their regular walks together. Other family members to take the stand included the couple's daughter and her husband, along with Todd's first cousin. David Adams, Barbara's brother, was the only person to express concern that parts of Todd's story didn't quite make sense.
You also said that you thought if something came through the windshield, Todd should have stopped on M when it happened, not on Bergen Coulee.
Yeah, I don't know what he was going through at the time to get pulled over.
But the biggest testimony came after the defense rested its case and the prosecution had its rebuttal. Todd Kendhammer initially said that Justin Heim needed his windshield repaired, and that's why he was out on County Highway M, but Heim later disputed that. Then Kendhammer said it was Jared Logging, a man who lives on that road, that really needed the windshield fixed. The state called both back to the stand, and Logging said that that was not true.
Had you had that windshield in that truck replaced or fixed?
I've had it fixed, yes.
When was that?
That was in 2014 in December.
Well, at any time in 2016, did you talk to Todd Kendhammer or anybody else about needing a windshield for your truck?
No.
The state is likely to say that this proves that Ted Kendhammer was lying about why he was driving north on the day of that alleged crash and cast doubt on other parts of his testimony. We'll probably hear more about that during tomorrow's closing arguments. Mike?
All right, thanks very much, Mal Meyer, reporting live from the county courthouse tonight. And once final arguments are made tomorrow, the jury will start its deliberations. Kendhammer faces life in prison if convicted. We do plan to cover the verdict live on our Facebook page as well as our website.